personal pronouns. Personal pronouns refer to the specific people, place, things, or ideas by indicating whether the noun is the first person, second person, or the third person. Personal pronouns like nouns can be singular or plural.
Let's learn about pronouns. Like I said before, pronouns have singular and plural. In singular, first person are I and me. The plural are we and us. Second person singular, you, and also plural, you. Third person for singular are he, she, it, him, and her. For plural, they and them. Let's see the example from this picture. Hi, I am Timmy. Hi, Timmy, you are funny. Let me introduce you one by one. I is a pronoun. We use I when we talk about ourselves. I means me, the person who is taking. I am happy. I am happy. You is a pronoun. We use you when we are talking to someone else. You means the person we are talking to. You are my friend. You are my friend. He is a pronoun. We use he when we talk about a boy or a man. He means one male person. He is strong. He is strong. She is a pronoun. We use she when we talk about a girl or a woman. She means one female person. She is kind. She was a pronoun. We used they when we talk about two or more people, animals, or things. They means more than one. They are playing. It is a pronoun that we use for animals, things, place, and weather. Example, it is a dog. It is a pronoun that we use for animals, things, place, and weather. Example, it is a dog.
I am Timmy, this is true. You are kind, and I like you. He is jumping, she can run. They are friends and having fun.
Great job, everyone. Now you know how to say I, you, he, she, and they in English. See you next time.